Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a good old salon vlog, so I'm just almost ready to go, just drinking my smoothie that looks disgusting. I can assure you it does actually taste nice. I hope you enjoyed my last video, something a little bit different, but I really want to try and incorporate a bit more of kind of my plant-based vegan stuff, because it's kind of the other main big part of my life. So let me know if there's anything in particular that you want to see or that you're interested in, and yeah, let's get on with today. I've just got to work. It is absolutely minging outside, which if you live in England, it's no different. If you don't live in England, I know I have quite a lot of viewers in the US, we've literally had rain basically every day since September, so it's not been fun. And I've just got in, and Winnie, bless her, is not feeling very well. It's the first time we've been in the car for probably, I think it must be over 2 weeks, because Reese was off for longer than me. So while I was still off, she stayed at home with him. So yeah, bless her. I think she's a little bit car sick. Oh dear. And I've realised I've made a bit of an epic fail for lunch. Yesterday I had some, the brand is called Like Meat, and I had their like chicken pieces with salad. To be honest, it wasn't very nice, but I kind of put the leftovers in a tub, which I have here, but I also meant to put avocado in there and some vegan mayonnaise, and I haven't, so I literally have plain, undressed, unseasoned salad with minging fake chicken stuff. So I don't think this is gonna be the nicest lunch, but thank goodness I have an apple and also some million squares to cheer me up afterwards. 10 to 7. I don't actually know where the time goes, but I am just about to make some dinner. I need to do some washing up really, to be honest, but I can kind of get away with what I need to make without doing the washing up, so I'm just going to leave it and then wash it all up at the same time. I am going to make some Mexican bowls. I bought some vegan mince. We've had it before and I've used it for bolognese and it's been very successful. It's this Naked Glory mince. It is made from soy and wheat protein, so not good for people that are gluten-free, but it tastes really good and the texture's nice, the taste's nice. Sometimes mince can be a bit funny, it either like disintegrates into nothing or it doesn't really taste quite right, but this one is good. And I'm gonna make some Mexican bowls inspired by these that I saw on Sarah's Day channel. I'm a bit obsessed with her vlogs at the moment. I went dark for a minute there. I'm a bit obsessed with her vlogs at the moment, and I just thought it looked like a really nice meal, and obviously she used regular beef mince, but I'm obviously going to use vegan mince, and I just watched it and thought, do you know what, I can make that easily vegan. And actually, if you don't want to use mince substitute, you could just use lentils and it would work perfectly fine. So I'm going to make that now and enjoy it because I'm very hungry. I've just finished making the food. I think it looks pretty good. The only thing that I didn't have that Sarah put in hers was courgette. I didn't have any courgette, but I had some leftover spinach, so I put that in. So yeah, in that bowl there is some rice under there, I promise, and then some salad, and then the Mexican mince, and yeah, the only other thing that was a big gutting was my avocado was rock hard. So I couldn't have any guac with it, but anyway, I'm going to enjoy this. And I'd also like to point out, I just made that from scratch, rice from scratch, and it's literally taken me half an hour. So when I came on to say that I was cooking dinner, it was 10 to 7 and it's now 20 past 7. So really it doesn't take that long. It's just being organised and making sure that you have ingredients in. That's the worst thing for me, is if I don't have ingredients in, then it all goes downhill from there. That food was too good. I actually ended up having seconds, but there's still loads left for like lunches, which is brilliant, because I've not been very organised with that since I've been back to work. So it will be good to be organised again with my food for my lunch breaks. So I am going to finish this vlog here. Reese was supposed to be staying away, but he just called me to say that he's actually coming home. So I'm going to finish this vlog off here and clean up all of the mess and washing up, and I'll see you in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this salon day vlog, along with a little bit of plant-based vegan stuff thrown in. If you have, please give this video a like, because it really helps me to build my channel and support me in that way. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so that you find out as soon as I upload a new video. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. And just quickly before I go, in case anyone wanted to know, because I know some of you will, Winnie's fine. She had a bit of a funny thing this morning, but now she's fine.